Welcome back to AutoNation Culture, the place where we explore the newest, smartest, and most exciting vehicles from around the world. If you love modern SUVs, advanced technology, and futuristic automotive design, you are in the right place. Today we are taking a closer look at the Mazda A60 full-option long-range SUV, a vehicle that brings together innovation, style, and cutting-edge digital technology. One of the most eye-catching features of this SUV is its digital side-view camera system, replacing traditional mirrors with sleek cameras that improve aerodynamics and provide a clearer, wider view of the road. The exterior design of the Mazda EZ60 reflects the elegant philosophy that Mazda is known for. The front fascia looks bold and futuristic, with a sculpted grille, slim LED headlights, and a smooth aerodynamic shape that enhances efficiency. Because the EZ60 uses digital side cameras instead of traditional mirrors, the vehicle looks even more modern and streamlined. These compact cameras are mounted on the sides of the vehicle and send real-time video to high-resolution displays inside the cabin. This technology not only reduces wind resistance but also improves visibility during rain, night driving, and tight parking situations. Moving to the side profile, the Mazda EZ60 shows a strong SUV presence with sharp body lines and a balanced stance. Large alloy wheels, a gently sloping roofline, and hidden door handles add to the premium and futuristic feel. The rear design continues the sleek theme with LED tail lights connected by a stylish light bar, giving the SUV a wide and confident appearance on the road. Inside the cabin, the Mazda EZ60 delivers a truly high-tech experience. Instead of traditional mirrors, the digital side-view cameras project live images onto slim screens positioned near the A-pillars. This allows the driver to see a clearer and wider angle of the surroundings without turning their head too far. It also reduces blind spots, making highway driving and lane changes safer and easier. The interior is designed with premium materials and a minimalist layout. A large central infotainment display controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while a fully digital instrument cluster provides driving information in crisp graphics. Ambient lighting, soft leather seats, and a spacious cabin create a comfortable environment for both driver and passengers. Another highlight of the Mazda EZ60 full-option model is its long-range electric powertrain. This SUV is built to travel long distances on a single charge, making it practical for daily commuting as well as longer road trips. Instant electric torque provides smooth and quiet acceleration, while advanced battery management systems ensure efficiency and reliability. The EZ60 also supports fast charging, allowing drivers to recharge quickly and continue their journey with confidence. In terms of safety, the Mazda EZ60 is packed with modern technology. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 3-degree camera system work together to create a safer driving experience. The digital side view cameras also play an important role by providing clearer visuality conditions. Overall, the Mazda EZ60 full-option long-range SUV represents a bold step toward the future of mobility. With its sleek design, advanced digital mirror system, high-tech interior, and if you enjoyed this review of the Mazda EZ60, make sure to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to AutoNation Culture for more exciting reviews.